Best practices for improving VMware HCI workloads in a Dell PowerEdge R740XD server with KIOXIA Value SAS and Data Center NVMe SSDs. KIOXIA's RM Series Value SAS and CD Series Data Center NVMe SSDs are built on enterprise reliability and performance, but cost more like SATA SSDs. They offer capacities up to 7.68 terabytes and are approved for all Dell PowerEdge server models. For this best practices reference architecture, the server is a Dell R740XD vSAN ready node with dual Xeon Silver 4214 12-core processors and 144 GB of DRAM. 3 servers were configured as a 3-node VMware HCI cluster. Each system includes a Mellanox 100 gigabit NIC configured with 2 VM kernel ports, one for management, vMotion, and provisioning, and the other port dedicated to vSAN traffic. Each R740 server contains 3 960 GB KIOXIA CD5 Data Center NVMe SSDs as a capacity tier, and 1 800 GB KIOXIA PM5 SAS SSD for the caching tier. 3 fault domains were created, one for each host to finalize the configuration. The disks are claimed by the vSAN data store, which creates a single disk group. Each R740 server contains 3 960 GB KIOXIA CD5 Data Center NVMe SSDs as a capacity tier, and 1 800 GB KIOXIA PM5 SAS SSD for the caching tier. 3 fault domains were created, one for each host to finalize the configuration. The disks are claimed by the vSAN data store, which creates a single disk group. The vSAN data store was successfully created with Skyline Health enabled, and all hosts are ready for testing. The total capacity for the data store is 10.48 terabytes of SSD storage. The standard VMware test tool HCI Bench is used to measure storage performance for 70/30 and 50/50 mixed workloads, which are common to virtualized environments. The 70/30 4K random read-write mix scenario emulates the most common virtualized environment. KIOXIA Value SAS and Data Center NVMe SSDs delivered similar results with over 83,000 and 85,000 IOPS, which is 75 and 79% more than SATA SSDs respectively. The 50/50 8K random read-write workload is common to a database environment. Value SAS drove over 68,000 IOPS, nearly double the performance of SATA, while Data Center NVMe SSDs delivered over 2 times the performance of SATA at over 70,000 IOPS. Check out KIOXIA's full line of SSD solutions for Dell PowerEdge servers at kioxia.com/Dell.